Top 10 largest economies in the world 2025. Which are the top 5 countries by GDP in the world? The United States, China, Germany, Japan and India respectively hold those positions in 2025. Now let's take a look at the top 10 largest economies or richest countries in the world in 2025, sourced from IMF data as of January 10, 2025. Rank and country. GDP. 2025 projected real GDP percentage change. GDP per capita and current prices in USD. Number 1, United States. GDP $30.34 trillion. Projected real GDP change 2.2%. GDP per capita $89.68 thousand. Number 2, China. GDP $19.53 trillion. Projected real GDP change 4.5%, GDP per capita $13.87 thousand. Number 3, Germany. GDP $4.92 trillion. Projected real GDP change 0.8%, GDP per capita $57.91 thousand. Number 4, Japan. GDP $4.39 trillion. Projected real GDP change 1.1%, GDP per capita $35.61 thousand. Number 5, India. GDP $4.27 trillion. Projected real GDP change 6.5%, GDP per capita $2.94 thousand. Number 6, United Kingdom. GDP $3.73 trillion. Projected real GDP change 1.5%, GDP per capita $54.28 thousand. Number 7, France. GDP $3.28 trillion. Projected real GDP change 1.1%, GDP per capita $49.53 thousand. Number 8, Italy. GDP $2.46 trillion. Projected real GDP change 0.8%, GDP per capita $41.71 thousand. Number 9, Canada. GDP $2.33 trillion. Projected real GDP change 1.3%, GDP per capita $55.89 thousand. Number 10, Brazil. GDP $2.31 trillion. Projected real GDP change 2.4%, GDP per capita $10.82 thousand. Also read, US inflation rate by year 2012 to 2023. What are the next 10 economies? Rank and country. GDP in USD billions. Number 11, Russia. GDP $2.2 trillion. Number 12, South Korea. GDP $1.95 trillion. Number 13, Australia. GDP $1.88 trillion. Number 14, Spain. GDP $1.83 trillion. Number 15, Indonesia. GDP $1.49 trillion. Number 16, Turkey. GDP $1.46 trillion. Number 17, Netherlands. GDP